Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your insurance needs with American International Group, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current insurance needs. Consider what types of coverage you may require, such as auto, home, life, or health insurance. Next, visit the official American International Group website. Explore the various insurance products they offer. Look for information specific to your state or region, as coverage options can vary. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill out the online forms to provide your personal information and insurance needs. Take note of any specific requirements or documents needed during this process. Once you have submitted your details, request personalized quotes. Compare quotes from different American International Group products to find the best fit for you. Review the coverage options in detail, paying attention to policy limits and exclusions. If needed, consult with an AIG insurance agent for expert advice and clarification. Ask questions about any terms or conditions you may not understand. Decide on the policy that best meets your needs and budget. Prepare to finalize your policy by gathering required documents, such as identification and payment information. Complete the application process and make your payment. Review your policy documents thoroughly once you receive them. Ensure all information is correct and that you understand your coverage. Keep your insurance documentation in a safe place for easy access. Schedule annual reviews of your insurance needs to make adjustments as necessary. Stay informed about any changes in your coverage or renewal terms. Utilize additional resources on the AIG website for ongoing education about your insurance. By following these steps, you can secure comprehensive coverage tailored to your needs with American International Group. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.